Get ready for a vending revolution. TCN vending machine will participate in vending machine exhibitions in USA and Italy.
From May 7th to 9th, join us in Dallas, USA for the NAMA Show 2024.
Find us at booth number 525 where innovation meets convenience.
Then from 15th to 18th, it's off to Milan, Italy, Venditalia 2024.
Look for TCN at booth number L27 to 29, where the future of vending awaits.
Hi dear friends, we sincerely invited you to visit TCN on NAMA Show and Venditalia 2024.
See you in Dallas. NAMA Show 2024. You won't want to miss it.
Venditalia 2024. Get ready to be amazed.
Da continua di charge, charge, ciao di mamoni, Venditalia, di Venditalia, Venditalia.
Abbiamo Milan.
Within a start, Venditalia, CV1000 via Asfaltiki.
Not famous Venditalia.
See you there.